Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you another one of our installation videos. What we've been working on today is an Audi RS3. It's a 2019 model. What this customer was looking for was the latest speed camera detection. That's why we've recommended, and this customer's gone for, the Cheetah 550 with the Platinum subscription. It's our go-to solution for speed camera detectors. If you're looking into something like this, this is an amazing solution. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you a little bit more explain a bit more about the product. So the Cheetah 550 and its competitor is the Road Angel. So both are very, very good products, and we do both of them. So we've got the Cheetah 550 and the Road Angel Pure. They both come with slightly different features, and we offer both of them here at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. So these are all both professionally hardwired into your vehicle, so with all the cables hidden away as well. So basically the Cheetah 550, the reason why this customer wanted to go for this system is because of what's called the night mode within this. What you can do is turn it onto this night mode, which basically means that as you're driving along, it's perfectly clear, the LED display is completely off, except from a little blue light. What that does, as you approach the camera, it gets bright as well as an audible tone to alert you of a speed camera, which really does get your attention. So Road Angel performs in a very similar manner. The way that works is it goes from one light background to a red background when there's a camera approaching. So in a similar manner, but this customer wanted to go for the Cheetah 550. First of all, it's slightly cheaper than the Road Angel, but also the fact that it's a really nice, clean solution that doesn't have too many lights as well. In terms of the actual unit itself, you do need to do your own updates. That's done via your portal where you log in, and you can do that via the computer. Literally takes from taking it out of the car to uploading onto the computer, maximum around about 10 minutes or so. And what that does is that then allows you to keep up to date with the latest information downloaded from the databases on the latest speed cameras. So this is just a quick video to introduce the Cheetah 550 on an Audi RS3. We can locate that unit anywhere within the vehicle. So if you're interested in something a little bit more bespoke or want something positioned somewhere else, feel free to get in touch with us. Our team are more than happy to help. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. So first of all, thank you very much for watching our short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.